Okay, in this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a pyramid raster in SketchUp. Okay, first of all, we have to make the rotated rectangle. Start from here. We can set the thickness around 150 millimeter, and then okay, we can set the thickness around 150 millimeter. So, and then for the white, we can set it around 300 millimeter only. So then we have to push it up around 300 millimeter. Okay, and after that we have to offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 10 millimeter for the frame thickness. So then we have to push it back anyway. Okay, and then we can make the line right here. Start from this corner and this corner. Then we can start to making a line in here, just like this. Okay, okay, just like this. And then we can delete some unnecessary line anyway. And then we can make the diagonal line over there. Okay, and then we have to push it to the back, just like this, a little bit push it, and then we can um, make a line in this surface to it look 3D solid anyway. So, and after that we can make the line. We can make the line from here until this position anyway. Okay, so you can see it. Then we can delete some unnecessary line, and then we can make it. Okay, we can make it, and then we can push it. Okay, okay, we can make it anyway. Okay, until just like this, and then we can just delete some unnecessary object. Okay, we can make the line right here. We can delete it, and then we can make the line right here to make the circulation of the air of this raster anyway. Okay, and then we can make it group, and so then we can make the concrete material with this material anyway. And we can also set the brightness of the color. We can set the RGB object. Okay, and then we can select color wheel. Okay, just like this. Okay, and after that we can make it component create. So then we can select move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Then we can place on this position. Then we can flip it along anyway for variation anyway. And then we can move it again until this position. Okay, and then we can move until this position again, just something like this anyway. So then we have to select all, and we can make it group course. So then we can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it, and then we can place on here. Then we can type X9 and enter. Okay, it will be just something like this. Okay, anyway we can select the view and shadow to activate the shadow, and we can see about the shading of this raster arrangement. Anyway, we can try to flip it along with the green axis, so we can see about the shading when the surfaces are get the um, light, get the dialecting anyway. Okay, just something like this, and okay, it's done. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.